Production of glutamic acid. Basically, 90% of the world demands of glutamic acid is by the microbial production and 10% by the chemical method. In this, the medium used is carbon source. For carbon source, we use glucose or any other lactose molecule. In nitrogen source, we use ammonia or urea. Ions are potassium, sodium, potassium, magnesium. These are used. Now pH is 6 to 7 to 8 has to be maintained. Optimum temperature is 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Procedure is basically it is a downstream processing is occur. In this, the bacterial cell separated from broth, which is passed to the ammonium resin exchange, and this resin will react with ammonia to form. This resin will react with glutamic acid to form the ammonia, and this ammonia released will be removed by the distillation process, and further resin will be removed and we get the glutamic acid. The elution, and this the elution is performed with NaOH to form the monosodium glutamate. Now NaOH, in this we have to elute this glutamic acid, so we put NaOH in it and it forms monosodium glutamic acid. Now alpha ketoglutamic acid is converted in presence of glutamic acid dehydrogenase is converted into L-glutamase glutamic acid. Is for after that we'll do the recovery of this in this extraction and purification and crystallization, as we did earlier in the B12 as well and everything. So and ion exchange here, and after that we'll pack into different dosage form.